Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Did you know there are over 12,000 kinds of ants in the world? Let's explore the amazing life of these tiny but mighty insects. What is an ant? An ant is a small insect that lives in many places around the world. Ants are social insects, which means they live and work together in big groups called colonies. Some ant colonies can have thousands or even millions of ants. Where do ants live? Ants live almost everywhere in soil, under rocks, inside wood, or even inside homes. They build special homes called nests. These nests can be underground in trees or inside walls. Ant life and jobs. Ants live in colonies with different roles. Queen ant. She is the mother of all ants in the colony. Her job is to lay eggs. Worker ants. These are female ants that do all the work. They find food, clean the nest, and take care of baby ants. Soldier ants. They protect the colony from danger. Male ants. They have one job, to mate with the queen. After that, they usually die. Ant life cycle. Ants have 4 life stages. Egg, tiny and white. Larva, looks like a small worm and eats a lot. Pupa, the ant changes shape. Adult, becomes a worker, queen, or male. The full cycle can take a few weeks or months, depending on the species. What do ants eat? Ants eat many things. They like sugar and sweets, fruit, seeds, dead insects. Some ants even farm small insects called aphids for their sweet liquid. Are ants smart? Yes. Ants are very smart for their size. They work together as a team, build complex nests, use chemicals to talk to each other called pheromones, can solve simple problems. Fun and amazing facts about ants. There are over 12,000 kinds of ants in the world. Ants can carry things 20 times heavier than their body. That's like a human lifting a car. Ants live on every continent except Antarctica. Some queen ants can live for 15 to 30 years. That's very long for an insect. Army ants don't build nests. They move in groups and attack together. Some ants can bite or sting to protect themselves. Fire ants have a painful sting. Ants don't have ears. They feel sounds through vibrations. Ants can find their way home by remembering smells and using the sun. Why are ants important? Ants help the earth. They clean up dead insects. They move soil, which helps plants grow. Some ants spread seeds for new plants. How do ants protect themselves? They bite or sting enemies. Some ants spray acid to scare other bugs. Soldier ants guard the nest from danger. Can ants fly? Yes, but not all the time. Some ants grow wings when it's time to mate. After flying and mating, the males die and the females, new queens, start a new colony. Conclusion: ants are small, but they are strong, smart, and helpful. They live in big families, work hard, and take care of each other. Even though they are tiny, ants are a big part of nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.